With an eye on the finals of the FIH Hockey World Cup 2026 qualifiers, Hyderabad, Telangana, Italy and India get ready to clash at the GMC Bal Yogi Hockey Stadium in Hyderabad. Will it be the Indian tricolour or the Italian tricolour that will sail high at the end of this match? Italy donning the blue, attacking from left to right, and India in the white and orange, attacking from right to left. Granato didn't start today. Such an energetic player. On to Lola Bria. Lola Bria goes for the backhander off the goalkeeper's blockers. So a first real shot at the goal, and it's Lola Bria. A backhander, yes, it's just come off the pads of Bichu Devi. Gets into the circle, passes it to Navneet. Navneet was trying to thunder that into the circle. This time she does, and it could be a penalty corner. It is, in fact, India's first penalty corner of this semi-final. Not trapped very well. Navneet will come back into the circle, goes for it, and she does very well there, the Italian goalkeeper Lucia Caruso. The trapping not very successful. Navneet came in, and good reflexes. Look at that by Lucia Caruso, and then trying to clear it herself. On the bounce, India trying to get back in, and then Caruso comes forward to block Lalram Siami. Oh, that's some good work by India as Ishika, in fact it's Rutuja Pisal. Well, the crowd cheers because India have gotten a penalty corner.
It was 22.
While the offense took place just outside, Italy have conceded that penalty corner. May have been for the 5-meter rule. So Fiorelli just reaching that 5-meter mark after India were awarded that free hit. It looks like it's going to be Manisha and Sushila on the two batteries with Vaishnavi Falke to inject. On to Manisha, goes for the drag flick. India have finally got the goal they were chasing. In the semi-final, it is the drag flick of Manisha that has helped them get ahead in this contest. It has been a lot of hard work, and that hard work has finally paid dividends in the third quarter. Going in for the drag flick. Let's have a look at that. Drag flick, and yes, the deflection of the goalkeeper into the goal. It has also come off a couple of Italian players off the first rusher. Then one of the other defenders and into goal past the goalkeeper. It was almost in slow motion as the ball went into the goal. Well, the fireworks weren't in slow motion. If it's a draw, we head into a shootout. Still threatening there. Looks like it's Rutuja Pisal who stopped it. Navneet. You'll see a lot of these things happen when Italy are really desperate to get that goal. Only a minute and a half remaining. What can Italy do? Can they bring that magic now to take us to a shootout? There's an attempt, of course, into the circle. Lola Brea asking for a penalty corner. Italy still have it. Possibly a penalty corner. And what a time to get that penalty corner. Some good work by Guadalupe Moras. With a little over a minute remaining, Italy have the opportunity to equalize against India and possibly take us into a shootout. Nikki Pradhan not able to clear it properly. Guadalupe Moras finding the foot of Vaishnavi Falke by the looks of things. It was fantastic work. All eyes on Bichu Devi and the defensive line right next to her, Federica Kata and Pessina. Pessina scored Italy's first goal in this competition. Kata has 3. Can they get that important goal today? Federica Kata on the big day. It has been saved by Bichu Devi as the crowd behind her cheers. Italy will get a long corner. Relief for the hosts, but Italy still threatening into the last minute. Is there more drama in store? Pessina tries to put that into the circle. Navneet clears it out. Italy just trying to get that quickly into play. Federica Kata with her left blocker. Bichu Devi saves the day for India. It's a long ball that goes out. The clock is ticking now. If Italy can somehow win possession. Udita just lofts it. It'll go towards the Italian side with only a few seconds remaining. India have quite possibly booked their passage through to the final. This should be it. This is it. India are through to the finals of the FIH Hockey World Cup 2026 qualifiers at Hyderabad. They've secured their spot in the World Cup. The tickets to Belgium and Netherlands have been booked. Salima Tete and this group will be heading to contest in the big event. Mission accomplished. But there's that big match against England coming up tomorrow. It's like you've booked the tickets, but at the boarding gate, England are waiting alongside you for that one big contest before heading to the big tournament later this year. It was hard work, really hard work. Italy did everything to make it difficult for India. But thanks to that solitary goal by Manisha Chauhan, India have made their way into the final with a slender 1-0 victory over Italy.